Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hi. Hi Sanket. Hi Bhavyasri and Akila. Sorry, Nikhila. Oh, Anusri. Okay. Hi Surya. Hi Sanket. Hi Bhavyasri. Only two. And Akila. Sorry, Nikhila. Oh, Anusri. Okay. Hi Surya. Good evening, Surya. Good evening. Good evening, Sanket. Good evening. Good evening, Sanket. Please share it to your WhatsApp. Share it to your WhatsApp. Advance happy Shivratri to everyone. Advance happy Shivratri. Today we are going to learn the most beautiful techniques of average chapter. This is the third day of average chapter, my dear students. So please stay tuned. I'm going to start. How many of you excited to learn average chapter techniques? Average chapter techniques. How many of you are excited? Hi Manisha. Hi Vivek. Hi Vivek. Good evening Manisha. Good evening. So I requesting everyone to share this link to your WhatsApp and Facebook. Please share. Yeah, Manisha, yeah, I guess I get. Hi Suhas, hi, how are you? 1 minute, please wait. Now let's start, my dear students. See, let's start now. So welcome to Brain Booster Institute. So arithmetic at 45 days, chapter 2 average. This is the part 3. So problems, I think I'm unable to conduct the chapter class since 3 days. Okay, so as I was busy with doing other works, and there are also technical issues, so that I could not connect you. So sorry for inconvenience to everyone. I think everyone has changed. I waited for my class. Okay, so how many of you are excited to learn all these techniques? How many of you are excited to learn all these techniques now? So please how many of you are excited? Hi Praveen, hi. Hi Nitesh. Good. So how many of you are excited, my dear friends? If you are excited, please type E in the comment box. Please type E. Hi Shahid Khan. Good. Thanks for supporting me. Now let's start. See, average chapter part 3. Now model number 16. Let's see. My students, see. Before learning this, let us do some formulae, and it looked like easy only, but the completely it depends upon the formula, so please concentrate on each and every topic here. Okay, a very easy topic. And also Shahid Khan, Sijan Khan, hi, how are you, Nana? How are you, Sijan Khan? How are you? I need more support from you, my dear students. I need more support from you. Please share it and ask them to join our class. It will be helpful to everyone. So those who are preparing for government job and also aptitudes, and also this also can help to you in your external examination, all like NTSC or what may be. Okay, so how many of you are excited? How many of you are excited? Good, Praveen, good. Now let's learn the formula. So my students, see, sometimes he may ask you to find the average of first 10 natural numbers, or last 10 natural numbers, or first even numbers, or last even numbers, or he may give some class here. He may ask you to find the average of the even numbers which lies between 30 to 40, 30 to 50, 30 to 100, 100 to 200. Like this, we need to find the average. To find the average, my dear friends, see, first we must know those sum. Okay, for example, let me take one example now. For example, if he is asking to find the average of first 4 natural numbers, means, so there are 4 natural, means 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us find their average. Already we know that the formula to find the average is sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, means we need to add all the observations which are given in the question. Now by number of observations, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. Now just add, my dear students. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Now 10 by 4. Okay, so just add it and cancel it here. And what do you get, my dear students? See, 2 5s are 2 2s are. So we get here 5 by 2. Okay, so 5 by 2 is the average of column. Okay, here, as there are only 4 numbers, 4 natural numbers, we could find easily. Only the first 4 numbers we could find easily. But if he gives the 1 to 1000 numbers, then it takes more time. Is it not? Is it? Why? Because we need to find the sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 1000, means it takes time. It may take 1 day also. So that there is a shortcut formula to find all these things here. Okay, let's see the formula to find the sum of the first n natural numbers is, the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula, my dear students. This is the formula. Got the point? So n into n plus 1 by 2. For example, I am taking here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here easily we can find out, see, what do you get, my dear students? See, n is equal to 4, as there are the 4 natural numbers. The natural numbers are 4. Then substitute n is equal to 4 in this formula. Now the 4 of, now 4 plus 1 by 2. Now what do you get, my dear students? Now here 2 ones, 2 twos, and 2 of 5. Now 2 5s are 10. Have you got the same answer? Just add this, all these things. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. You got the same answer here. Means this is the shortcut formula to find sum of all natural numbers. Sum of all natural numbers. So let's see. We know the formula to find the sum of all natural numbers. Okay. Now we can find easily average. By distance, see, to find the average, let's see, sum of observation by number of observations. Number of observations are n, as there are n natural numbers. Sum of observations, this is the formula. Let us substitute n of n plus 1 by 2. Only just I am deriving. I no need of learning these all things. Okay, just to remind the formula. Now n get cancelled. Then what do you get, my students? N plus 1 by 2 is the shortcut method to find average of some first n natural number. How many of you did you get this? So please, if you got, then please type G in the comment box. Please type G in the comment box. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So just remind, the average, to find the average of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is n plus 1 by 2. Okay. And here also I am going to write this formula also, n of n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula to find sum of first n natural numbers, and this is the formula to find average of first n natural numbers. Okay, please take screenshot. Please take screenshot. Please take screenshot, please. Right, next see. Let's do some problems now. Find the average of first 50 natural numbers. Find the average of first 50 natural numbers. See, first 50, then here n is equal to 50, my dear students. Already we know the formula. Now n plus 1 by 2. Then what do you get, my dear students? Now the 50 plus 1 by 2. Now we get here 51 by 2. Now just cancel 2 ones, 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10.5. So then what do you get here? 25.5 is the average of the first 50 natural numbers. Very good Vishnu garu, very good andi, very good. Vishnu garu, how are you? Very good, Nitesh. Very good. Very good. Now I think it is easy to find the first 1,000 natural numbers average. First 1,000 natural numbers. How who can say the average of first 1,000 natural numbers? Please type your answer. Please type your answer. Who can say? First 1,000 natural numbers. Very simple. Just add 1 to the both. 1001 by 2. Very simple. 1001 by 2. Now 2 5s 0 0.5 500 and 0.5. Okay, right. Now let's see next further. Find the average of first 70 natural numbers. First 70 natural numbers, my dear friends. See, what you get here is very simple. 70 plus 1 by 2. Now 71 by 2. Now we get here. What do you get? 2 ones, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, and the 0.5. Very simple. 35.5. Now, please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. Now let's go to model number 7. Okay. In the model number 16, we have learned one formula, that is to find the average of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers, that is n plus 1 by 2. Now let's see what we learn now. The sum of the first n multiples of k. The sum of first n multiples of k. For example, my dear friends, say, for example, I am taking multiples of 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12 means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Got the point? Means these are all the multiples. Okay, let us take for example the first 5 multiples of 2. Then see what do you get, my efficiency. Let us find their sum first of all. Okay, I'm not taking a 12. Can be taken, but let's see. Now 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 20 and 30. So the sum of first 5 multiples of 2 is 30, and number of observations are 5, means 30 by 5 is equal to 5 1s are 5 6 are. So we got here 6 answer. Okay, as it is 2 table. Okay, it is so easy to find the sum. Okay, so even 2 table also, if there are 100 multiples, then how we cannot find it, isn't it? So there is one formula, my dear friends, to find the sum of the n multiples of k. For example, I am taking C. The formula to find the sum of n multiples of k is the k of n plus 1 by 2. This is a beautiful formula to find sum of first n multiples of k. For example, I am taking 5 multiples of 2. First 5 multiples of 2. First 5. Not any 5, my dear friends, only first 5. Only first 5. Okay. First 5 multiples of k. Means your first 5 multiples of k means your n is equal to 5 and the k is equal to 2. That's a substitute this year. Now what do you get, my dear friends? 2 of your 5 of 5 plus 1, 5 6 for 2. Now we got 2 get cancelled. Now we are 5 6 is 30. Did you get correct answer? Did you get correct answer? The same. You can check 2 4 6 8 10. Just add them. 2 plus 4 6. 12, 20, 30. We got same answers. Okay, so this is a beautiful technique to find the first n multiples of k, my dear friends. Okay, so by using this formula, we can find the sum of first n multiples of k. Okay, sum of, very simple. Let's see. Right, now let us see average formula. The average formula to find the first n multiples of k is k of n plus 1 by 2. K of n plus 1 by 2. Nothing but, so I'm writing very neat. See, k of n plus 1. K of n plus 1 by 2. Now, for example, I'm taking again 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the sum is 30. Now 30 by 5 is equal to 6 we have got here. This is the average. Let's see here 2 of, as there are the 5 observation, then 5 plus 1 by 2. Now 2 get cancelled. Now 5 plus 1, how much we got, children? 6. Have you got same answer? Yes. N will be removed. Now next see. Let's go to some problems. Find the average of 10 multiples of 3. Find the average of 10 multiples of 3. Find the average of 10 multiples of 3. So what do you get here? This is n and this is k. The average formula is here k of n plus 1 by 2. Very simple. K is nothing but 3 of 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 by 2. So the answer would be 33 by 2. Now 2 ones, 2 6 is 12.25 the 10. The answer would be 16.5. The answer would be 16.5. Right, very good. Now let's see. I need this answer from you. Find the average of first 13 multiples of 13. First 13 multiples of 13. Good, Nitesh, good. Good, Nitesh, good, Suhas. Good, Nitesh, good, very good, Nitesh got correct answer, 91. విష్ణు పాండ గారు కొంచెం చెక్ చేసుకోండి మీ ఆన్సర్ని. రైట్ విష్ణు పాండ గారు, రైట్ అండి. What about other one? Other one? Right? Very simple. So I think there is no any confusion here as they both are same here. K is equal N is here. So 13 into 13 plus 1 is equal to 14 by 2. 2 ones, 2 sevens. 13 sevens are 91 is the answer. It's very simple. Okay. So let's see the next question. Now the problems model number 18. The average of first n even numbers. This is the formula, my dear friends. The average of first n even numbers. This is the formula n plus 1. Okay. First n even numbers. So for example, I am taking first 5 even numbers. What do you get? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Very simple. Okay. Then how many even numbers are there? 5. Already we have seen the just now in the previous one, the sum of these all first 5 even numbers is 30. Nothing but first even numbers are nothing but first 5 the multiples of 2 only now. That's what those are called even numbers. Now as the 5 the 5 1 the 5 6 are same here. See, very simple. Just substitute a number of even numbers here. N is equal to number of even numbers. Then as there are the 5 even numbers, then 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Nitish, actually 0 as per our convenient, we have taken 0 as even number. But 0 is not exact even number. It is not the original even number. Only the convenience to prove many theorems in the mathematics. Okay, that has been considered as a 0 as even number, but 0 is not a even number. I think you are the point, Mr. Nitish. We have the 0. You get the point? So 0 is not a first even number. First even number is 2 only. Right. Now, very simple. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Whenever we get the problems like this, just add plus 1 to the number of even numbers. We get the direct answer. No need of solving, no need of wasting time. How many of you are exciting? How many of you are exciting? Hi, Vijay garu. Hi, Andy. Hi, Andy. Hi, Andy. Hi, Vijay garu. Hi, Vijay Rashmi garu. Hi, Andy. Now, let's see, my students, see. Let's see the average of all even numbers from 1 to m is equal to n by 2 plus 1 is equal to m by 2 plus 1. Here see, I'm going to explain the what is the difference between these two. Okay, then later we can start the problems. Okay, let me see clarify this doubt. What is the difference of first n even numbers and even numbers from 1 to m? See, Satvik hi and hi. Shivam High School. Satvik hi. Ankit Rao sir, that means 2 is the smallest even. Yes, Ankit Rao, 2 is the smallest even number, not 0. Okay, not 0. Now, see the average of first n even numbers and the average of all even numbers from 1 to m. What is the difference of these two? See, okay, for example, I am taking first n even numbers, means for example, I am taking first 3 even numbers or first 5 even numbers we can take here. For example, first 5 even numbers are first even 5 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Just now we have seen this. And let's take the even numbers from 1 to 5. You get the point? So even numbers from 1 to 5. Got the point? 1 to 5 means what do you get, my students? 2, 4 only we get. Isn't it? There is much difference. There are first 5 even numbers are this year, or the even numbers from 1 to 5 are this year. I think you got the difference of these two formulas. Did you get it? If you got it, please type got in the comment box. Got, GOT got. GOT got. Thank you, Sangeet Rao. Thank you, Sangeet Rao. Yeah, Nitesh. Right. Now let's see. So the formula to find the efficiency, if he asks us to find average of first n even numbers is n plus 1. If he asks us to find the average of all even numbers from 1 to m is n by 2 plus 1. So please don't get any confusion, and please don't get confusion. What is the value of n means where the n is the last or highest even number in given particular group. Given particular group. Get the point? Where n is last or highest even number in given particular group. Okay. So for example, see, I'm taking 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, the highest even number is 10. You get the point? Then there n you should be substituted 10. For example, if we ask us 1 to 9, then what would be the n value? You are not supposed to take 9 here. Why? Because where n is the last or highest even number in the particular group. That's why I clearly mentioned here. Then n would be the, what is the last even number of this group? Can I know the answer from you? What would be the last even number of this group? Then that would be the value of n. Then what would be the value of n this group here? What is this crap? What would be the value of n in this group? Very good, Nitesh. Very good, Vishnu garu. Very good, Andy. Very good. Very good, Andy. Very good. Very good. Good following. Good, good, Sankeet Rao, good. Right, I think God understood. Okay, you got it. Okay, so your n is equal to 8 should be taken here. Now, if it is clear, then we can go with our problems. Now we can go with our problems. Okay. Now let's see. So once again, see one result. Please take screenshot of this. Please take screenshot. And please, and one more request. Please share this all things to link to your friends and relatives. Ask them to see. Now let's see. One more formula there is the average of all even numbers from m to n. The average of all even numbers from 1 to m. M to n is equal to m plus n divided by 2. M plus n divided by 2. What is the difference of these two formulas? See, I already told you. Okay, For example, this is, if there are the average means the even numbers from 1 to 10 for this one. See, what do you get, my students? 2 and 4 and 6 and 8 and 10. So 1 to 10 means this one. And from m to n means nothing but only this m is the least even number and n is the highest even number should be taken here. M is the least even number and n is highest even. For example, I am taking here 1 to 10. Then what would be the least even number here? 2. And what would be the highest even number here? 10 and 10 by 2. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12 by 2. Then what do you get, my student? It's average. Very good, 6. We got the same thing here. Okay. So in this case also we got the same thing. And in this case also we got the same thing. Okay. In this case, if you see, then n is equal to highest even number, then we can take here 10 by 2 and the plus 1 and 2 ones, 2 5 the 10 and 6. Okay, as is the first even number, first 5 even numbers, then 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Here we got the same answer by using these 3 methods. How many are excited? I think we can create amazing things by using the mathematics concepts. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with me? If you are agree, please type agree in the comment box. Please type agree in the comment box. Friendly Vishnu Panagar, thank you and thank you, Nitish, thank you. Right. Let's see. I think I got the difference of these two things. Okay. Now let's find the problems now. Okay. Here all I told you where M comma N are first and last even numbers. Okay. Please take the screenshot of this. Please take the screenshot of this. Please take the screenshot. Now next see. Let's see the formula problem. Find the average of first 20 even numbers. Find the average of first 20 even numbers. What would be the answer? What would be the answer of first 20 even numbers? The formula very simple. The first formula n plus 1. N plus 1. What is the answer, my students? 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. Completed. Okay. Just completed. 21. Very simple. Okay. One more time, please don't get any confused, my students. Okay. So the first n even numbers is equal to the formula n plus 1. Average of first n even numbers. And from 1 to n even numbers is n by 2 plus 1. And from m to n even numbers means m plus n by 2. Very simple, very simple, very simple. Okay. Only if you solve at least 10 problems by using this method, then easily you can understand. Easily you can understand this one. You get the point, my students? Okay. So let's see the next one. Right. Find the average of numbers from 1 to 20. 1 to 2. So not to get the confusion, that's why I have taken different one. See, 1 to 20 means, I already told you, from 1 to 20 means n by 2 plus 1 is the formula. Here n is highest even number should be taken. So 20 has been here. Now 20 by 2 plus 1. Now what do you get, my students? 2 by 20. Now 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. This is final answer. Okay. This is final answer. Now 11. Okay. For example, if it is 1 to 30, then 30 by 2 is 15. Now 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Very simple. I got the point. For example, if the same formula, same problem, 1 to 21 means, okay, what should be taken in value? N is equal to 20 only. You are not supposed to take 21. Why? Because what is the value of n here, my dear students? N is nothing but it is the highest even number or last even number. Did you get my point? Okay. Now let's see the next problem. Find the average of first 51 even numbers. First 15. Okay. So this is not formula, my dear students. Okay. Stop it here. So let's type mistake. Find the average of first 51 even numbers. First 51 means again it goes to this formula. Now what do you get, my dear students? N plus 1. Okay. N plus 1. Actually this formula should be here. Okay. Right. Now see n plus 1. Very good. Then what do you get, my dear students? Then 52 will be the answer. Then 52 will be the answer. That is 51 plus 1 is equal to 52. And let's go to the next problem. Find the average of all even numbers from 1 to 51. 1 to 50. Vijayalakshmi garu unnara meeru? Vijayalakshmi garu? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? I think you have joined middle. So today actually we have started the class at 7:30 p.m. as most of the students are asking. Okay, that's why I started the class here. Okay, so Vijayashwar, please respond. Please respond. Right, very good Bhavasri, very good Nityesh, very good Vishnu Panda, very good, very good, very good. Right. So I think you are getting our shortcut methods. Okay. Now see 1 to 51. 1 to 51. What would be the answer, my distance? N by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1. What is the value of n here? The highest even number of this group here. 1 to 15. The highest even number will be 50. Under most of the children, most of the students makes mistake by taking 51. So that's why don't take 51 here. Only the simple thing, what you are doing, what are these here even numbers? But 51 is not even number, how could you take it? That's the very single technique it is. Got the point? So that, then what do you get, my students? So here, here will be my photo, my video here. That's why I'm writing here. So let us take here 50 by 2. 50 by 2 is nothing but 25. Now 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. I think you're clear. So if it is clear, please type clear in the comment box. Please type clear. Good, Nitesh, good. No. It's not correct, Mr. Nitesh. 50 plus 1. Only this by 2 will belongs to only n, not. It's not a denominator of 50 plus 1. Okay? It might be wrong. Now next problem, see. Find the average of all even numbers from 30 to 50. Same means third formula. 30 to 50 means this is m and this is n. Only before taking the values of m and n, my students see, m and m, my students see, whether these m and n values are even number or not. Why? Because we are finding the average of even numbers. We are finding the average of even numbers. So, no. It's not an issue of, sorry, Mr. Nitesh. Okay. Now let's see just what is the formula, my students? M plus n by 2. Very simple. Just add these two. Now 30 plus 50 by 2. Now we get here 80 by 2. We get 2 ones, 2 40s. The answer would be the 40. Answer would be the 40. Okay. Got the point? Let's take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot this. Now So formula, vary m comma n are first, last and even numbers. Now let's see, find the average of all even numbers from 51 to 120. 51 to 120. Now here I am asking you, my dear students, see, what is the value of m, what is the value of n? Please tell me. What is the value of m? What is the value of n? Please type comment in the comment box. What would be the value of m? What would be the value of n? M value ఎంత తీసుకోవాలండి, n value ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి చెప్పండి. Nitesh, you have said m is equal to 50, n is equal to 120. 120. విష్ణు పాండే గారు 52 అని చెప్తున్నారు. మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఏంటండి? నితేష్ 52. I want m and n values, both values we need. I need m and n values. Very good, Sankit Rao, very good. M is equal to 50, n is equal to 120. Very good, very good. Right, Nitesh, right. Right, Nitesh, right. Right, very good. See, so your m is equal to 52. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, first and last even number should be taken. What is the first and last even? First even number of 51 and 121? 52. So that m is equal to 52. And what would be the last even number? 121. First and last or highest and lowest even number can be taken. Okay, please don't get confusion. Okay. Now very good, my students. Now see, m plus n by 2. Now let's add 52 plus here 120. Sorry, now I have taken 121. 120. Now 52 plus 120. How much? I think it is 172 by 2. Now 2 ones, 2 8 is 16 and 2 6 is 12. Now 86 is the absolute correct answer. Right? Nitesh, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Nitesh. Very good. Anybody have doubt? Anybody? Right, next say. Find the average of all even numbers from 51 to 120. 51 to 120. Now tell me, what would be taken m value and n value? What is the value of m and what is the value of n? Please tell me now. Please tell me. What is the value of m? What is the value of n? Good. Thank you, Sankit. Thank you, Nitesh. Thank you. Good, good, good. 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 Excellent, Nitesh. Excellent. Excellent. Good. M is equal to 52, N is equal to 120. Very good. Good. So very simple measure. See, M is equal to 52 and N is equal to 122. Okay. So very simple, just add these two. Now what do you get? 174. Now 174 by 2. Now 2 ones, 2 8 is 16, 2 7 is 14. Now 87 is the answer. 87 is the, okay. Now I got the point here. Okay. Now let's see next one. Okay, my dear friends, see, tomorrow we shall meet. So tomorrow we are going to learn one more problems now. Okay. So this problems we can do that. Find the average of all even from 31 to 51. Okay. Like this, many formulae, many problems you can do that. Okay. So please share it to your friends. Okay. Tomorrow I need more response from more students. So please cooperate with me. Please support me. I need your unconditional love and support, endless support. Please share this link to your friends and um, relatives. Okay, and also Facebook groups and Facebooks and Instagrams. Okay, and thank you very much. Okay, so thank you. Okay, right, thank you very much.